Welcome back to Inside Elegance. Today, we're transforming your farmhouse entryway into a cozy, inviting space perfect for the spring season. Whether you're welcoming guests or just enjoying the first sight of your home after a long day, this refresh will combine charm, functionality, and a touch of seasonal flair. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new video. And for our returning viewers, thank you for being part of the Inside Elegance family. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment sharing your favorite farmhouse decor ideas. Let's dive right in and explore 10 simple ways to give your entryway a springtime refresh. From practical storage to stunning floral arrangements, we've got plenty of inspiration for you today. The first step to any refresh is to declutter and clean. Start by removing everything from your entryway: coats, shoes, and decor. This gives you a blank canvas to work with and allows you to evaluate what you truly need in the space. Next, give your entryway a deep clean. Dust off surfaces, wipe down walls, and mop the floors. Cleanliness sets the stage for your new design and ensures your spring refresh feels fresh and rejuvenating. As you put things back, sort items into keep, donate, and discard piles. This is a great opportunity to let go of any winter decor or worn-out pieces that no longer serve your style. Farmhouse style thrives on neutral tones, so start your refresh by selecting a color palette of whites, creams, and soft grays. These shades create a calm, cohesive base for your entryway. If your walls need a refresh, consider a quick coat of paint. For added texture, use shiplap or beadboard paneling, which enhances the rustic charm of farmhouse style. Keep larger furniture items, like your entryway bench or console table, in neutral colors. This allows you to swap out seasonal decor easily while maintaining a cohesive look. Spring is all about bringing nature indoors, and natural textures are a staple of farmhouse decor. Consider adding woven baskets, rattan rugs, or jute storage bins to your entryway. A wooden bench or reclaimed wood console table adds warmth and character. Look for pieces with distressed finishes for that authentic farmhouse vibe. Don't forget to incorporate soft textiles, like a chunky knit throw or linen cushion covers, for a cozy touch that invites guests to sit and stay a while. No spring refresh is complete without greenery. Add life to your entryway with potted plants, faux eucalyptus stems, or a vase filled with fresh tulips. A simple wreath on your entryway door is a classic farmhouse detail that instantly says welcome. Choose one made with natural elements like grapevine or dried lavender for a rustic touch. If you have space, consider a small fiddle-leaf fig or olive tree in a woven basket for added height and visual interest. Seasonal decor is the perfect way to celebrate spring in your entryway. Look for pastel accents, such as light blue or soft pink, to contrast with your neutral base. Swap out winter signs for spring-themed art, such as botanical prints or hand-lettered signs with phrases like "Hello Spring" or "Bloom where you're planted." Finish with small details like ceramic bunny figurines, speckled eggs in a glass cloche, or floral patterned pillows for subtle, seasonal charm. Lighting sets the mood in any space, and your entryway is no exception. Consider swapping out your overhead light fixture for a farmhouse-style chandelier or pendant light. Table lamps with rustic bases or lantern-style lights add warmth and ambience. Opt for bulbs with a soft white glow to complement the cozy farmhouse aesthetic. For an extra decorative touch, string fairy lights or Edison bulbs along a nearby wall or shelf to create a magical, welcoming glow. A well-designed entryway is not only beautiful but functional. Add hooks or a wall-mounted coat rack for outerwear, and use a sturdy bench with built-in storage for shoes or bags. Use a console table with drawers to keep keys, mail, and other small items organized. A decorative tray or bowl can help corral loose items while keeping the space tidy. Don't forget a mirror. A farmhouse-style mirror with a distressed frame not only looks beautiful but is also practical for last-minute outfit checks before you head out the door. Your entryway should reflect your personality and tell a story. Display family photos in farmhouse-style frames or add a vintage piece, like an old clock or antique lantern. Consider adding a letterboard or chalkboard where you can write seasonal messages, inspirational quotes, or reminders. Finally, include a scent that welcomes guests as soon as they step inside. A candle, a diffuser, or potpourri in a light, fresh scent like lavender or citrus can complete the space. And that's it. A simple yet stunning way to refresh your farmhouse entryway for spring. With just a few thoughtful changes, you can create a space that's both welcoming and full of seasonal charm. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves farmhouse decor as much as we do. Don't forget to subscribe to Inside Elegance and leave a comment below telling us which tip you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating beauty in your home.